The health of your gut is crucial not only for digestion but also for your overall well-being. A balanced gut microbiome influences your immune system, mental health, and even weight management. As our bodies are continuously exposed to toxins from various sources, cleansing the gut becomes increasingly important. But what are the top foods that can help detoxify and cleanse the gut effectively? Here's a concise look at some of the best options. Beets are packed with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. They contain betalains, which possess anti-inflammatory properties. Beets support liver health, crucial for detoxification, and their fiber content aids digestion and waste removal. They also boost bile production, enhancing fat digestion and toxin elimination. Celery is low in calories but high in water content, about 95%, and essential nutrients like vitamin K and C. Acting as a natural diuretic, celery promotes the excretion of excess fluids and toxins. Its high fiber content aids digestion, while its anti-inflammatory properties support gut health, helping to alleviate bloating and maintain hydration. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, citric acid, and various antioxidants, making them a powerhouse for health. Lemon juice stimulates the production of digestive juices, enhancing digestion and nutrient absorption. Its acidity promotes liver function, which is vital for detoxification. Ginger contains gingerol, a potent anti-inflammatory compound, along with other beneficial compounds for digestion. Ginger alleviates nausea and promotes healthy gut flora. It improves motility in the digestive tract, reducing bloating and indigestion. Garlic is not just a flavor enhancer, it's rich in compounds like allicin with strong antimicrobial effects. Garlic acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Its antimicrobial properties combat harmful bacteria and yeast, promoting a balanced gut microbiome. Apples are high in dietary fiber, particularly pectin, making them an excellent source of nutrition, along with vitamins C and K. The fiber in apples promotes satiety and regulates blood sugar levels. Pectin specifically aids detoxification by binding to toxins for elimination. Foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are rich in probiotics, which have numerous health benefits. Fermented foods introduce beneficial bacteria into your digestive system, enhancing nutrient absorption and improving digestion. They also promote a balanced gut microbiome and enhance the body's natural defenses against pathogens. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and various micronutrients. High in soluble fiber, chia seeds absorb water and help create a gel-like substance in the gut, which regulates bowel movements and promotes digestive health. Their anti-inflammatory properties also support gut cleansing. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin supports liver detoxification processes and improves digestion. Including turmeric in your diet can help reduce gut inflammation, making it beneficial for digestive disorders. Vegetables such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories and packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Leafy greens promote a healthy gut environment by providing fiber that aids digestion and regularity. They are also high in chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the liver and remove toxins from the bloodstream. Incorporating these gut-cleansing foods into your diet is simple. Here are some practical tips. Smoothies: blend leafy greens, ginger and apple into a nutritious smoothie. Add lemon juice for extra detox benefits. Salads: create fresh salads using spinach or kale with apple slices, chopped garlic and a lemon olive oil dressing. Fermentation: try making your own fermented foods at home, such as kimchi or sauerkraut. Soups and stews: add beets, garlic and turmeric to soups for added flavor and detox benefits. Snacks: snack on raw vegetables like carrots and celery with hummus or sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt. A healthy gut is vital for overall wellness, and the foods you consume play a key role in maintaining that health. By integrating gut-cleansing foods like beets, celery, lemons, ginger, and others into your diet, you can promote digestive health, detoxify your body, and enhance your overall well-being. Making mindful dietary choices is essential for supporting your gut and improving your quality of life. For personalized dietary advice, consult a healthcare professional.